Science Creations, Chemistry Kit, Activity 3, Making Slime, Chemical Reactions. Hey, Sunflower students, parents, teachers, and camp counselors. Today, we are going to learn how making slime is a chemical reaction. In the chemistry kit, the supplies that you have will include glue, 30 to-go cups and paper cups, 30 popsicle sticks or super duper scientific stirring sticks, and borax, okay? So slime is a really simple but extremely fun project. So we're gonna start with our cup and our super duper stirring stick. All you have to do is take your glue, fill it about 1/3 with glue. You're gonna sprinkle a little bit, about 1 teaspoon of borax, and all you need is H2O or water. And we're gonna cover the glue and put about 1/2 cup of water or H2O, okay? Next, we're gonna take our super duper stirring stick and we're gonna stir like you're cooking, making a cake. So a chemical reaction is mixing 2 or more chemicals together to make a new substance. Again, a chemical reaction is mixing 2 or more chemicals together, whoa, to make a new substance. And there you go. You have no mess, silly putty slime. And it's actually a polymer, which is similar to liquid plastic. You have your to-go cups that they get to take home with them. Put it in there and put your top on, and your slime is done. And they can take it home to enjoy. Silly putty slime. Check us out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And check us out on www.sciencecreations.com. Bye!